How to troubleshoot streaming issues on Hulu. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you are having troubles regarding streaming on Hulu, fear not, it is easiest to recover. So first and foremost, you need to check for your Wi-Fi connection, as your Wi-Fi plays a major role in streaming. If you notice your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into your mobile data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, launch your Hulu application, then begin with the streaming process. However, if the issue still persists, check out this next step. Tap open your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of apps. Head over to all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Hulu. You need to force stop your application. Head to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing such problem. Also ensure that you are not connected to a VPN connection, as Hulu is limited for certain regions only. So if you are trying to stream or view any of the shows using your VPN connection, make sure to disable it. And that is a wrap for the video as well. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.